Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KTR Kadir. This is a super awesome tutorial about how to create a static list like a table view in Xcode. Let's dive into our tutorial. Here I am already have created a new project and I am creating a new table view controller. It's nothing but creating by a CocoaPod class and setting a subclass as a UI table view controller and setting this is a menu table view controller. There is no need XIB or storyboard anything, no view controller interface classes. Just we can create the Swift class that is enough for this, and also I am creating the model for the table view, so that I am creating a model class like named as a menu model. Then the class was created. Here I am creating an enumerator for the model like a menu model named as menu model, and I am setting the name. What are the types means like settings or else profile, history, statistics likewise. Now I am creating a profile, history, settings, logout. Likewise, I created these types of menus, which we will be get the menus from here, like in the list in the table view cells. Here we can create a in table view controller we can create the static array of values, that is menus like array of menu models, nothing but a menu model of profile, and then history, and then settings, at last the logout. Here we create the static array of list. This will be very we are going to implement on this. Now I am changing my number of section is equal to 1, and also number of rows is nothing but the menus dot count, and in cell for row I am using I don't create any custom cells, so that I am using the UI table view cell by default style, and then no reuse identifiers. Here I am setting the text label dot text is equal to nothing but the menus of index path dot row, let menu. Here we have to set we can't able to set the enumerator object to our label text, so that we can configure our enumerator. Likewise, how means we can extend our menu model enumerator, and we set the var get variable for title as a string, and set a switch function, and pass the self. Then if the history means, we can return the history as a title. Likewise, I am creating each thing like a profile means, that is nothing but we can set this as a profile. Then if settings means, return as a settings. Then is a logout means, it's nothing but a logout. Likewise, I am created. Based on this, we can be use the enumerator title. Here I am going to set like this enum dot menu dot title, and also if we need, we can set the image for that each table view cells, so that image u dot image is equal to We can set it as a menu dot. We can set like a UI image of system image. We didn't set the image icons, so that I'm same thing I'm passing copy and paste and setting as the icon string, and I'm creating the SF symbols, going to the SF symbols and get some icons like clock. This we can set it as a copy the name and set it as a here, and also if settings we can set something profile user, likewise we can set it this is as a for profile, and also if settings we can set as a some of the icons like searching right now, something we can do it. We can set something as some of the list likewise will okay, we can set this icon for settings, and also for logout out, or else we can do some shapes or sign symbols. We can use anything for the tutorial purpose. I don't waste your time, so I am pick any of the item and set it as a image. Here I set it the icons. Now we can set as a menu dot icon. Here the string will be passed. This is nothing but the system font, system icon. Now we can run the code. Before that we have to pass our from view controller to table view controller, so that I am set the button to navigate to the view controller, like creating a UE button at the center of the view controller and setting some constraints like center vertical and center horizontal, and then I am setting the IB outlet for that button is nothing but setting some well, I can set it like this name, button names nothing but menu. Then I am setting the IB outlet action for the button like menu tapped. Likewise I created here. I am going to pass my navigation from the view controller to UI table view cell table view controller, so that I am creating the table view controller like by using the style of group or plain, whatever it is we can do it. Now menu list, then we can pass our navigation. Before that we have to set, embed our navigation controller on the view controller, so that I am set it like this. Now it's very easy. Without this means we have to set as a we have to implement the navigation controller inside of the code, so that only I am embedded in the storyboard. Then show view controller as a menu list and the center is nil. Likewise now I am running the code. this is a static table view controller. We can modify everything what we need by using um, the extension of types. Here we can check the table view was very perfectly working. If we need some any navigation for the each item means we can also config here, likewise setting the where of navigation as a string what we need, or else likewise we can set it as here. By the way, the screen we can be easily navigate from a table view controller to any other view controller, and also if we need any disclosure point on anything means we can also set it like this. By the same way, based on this we can't able to we don't able to create any array or struct to create design a static table view cells. I think this video will be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.